Assalamu alaikum. Several of Trump's executive orders in his first week in office have targeted immigrants, both who have legal status and those without legal status. There have been many announcements by the federal government that they are going to be undergoing immigration enforcement actions throughout the state of Michigan, and there have been videos of both Customs and Border Protection and ICE stopping cars on the street and taking immigrants into custody. If you encounter ICE or CBP attempting to do immigration enforcement, you should, first of all, remain silent. You do not have to answer any questions about your immigration status or when you entered the United States. You should ask to speak to a lawyer, and you should not sign any documents or answer any questions prior to speaking with an attorney or having an attorney present. You should request a phone call. If you are a foreign national, you have the right to call your consulate. If English isn't your first language, you have the right to request an interpreter be present for any questioning that you do undergo with your attorney. If you are at home and ICE or CBP comes to the door, they cannot enter your home without a judicial warrant. And a judicial warrant looks different than an immigration warrant. An order of detention is not a judicial warrant, and it is important to know the difference. A judicial warrant will have the name of the courthouse that it issued it at the very top in the center of the document, and it will be signed by a judge. An immigration detention warrant, also known as an order of detention, will say the Department of Homeland Security at the top and does not have a judge's signature. ICE cannot enter private spaces at your job, school, or mosque without a judicial warrant. However, places that are open to the public, where entry is not monitored or restricted, could permit ICE to walk in without a warrant. If ICE comes to your place of employment, school, or mosque looking for other individuals, you should not answer questions about other people or their immigration status. You should ask ICE to leave the premises and advise them that you will not be answering any questions. If you or someone you know has been contacted by ICE, the FBI, or Customs and Border Protection at their home, in their school, or at their workplace, or out in public, and they may need advice or legal assistance, please contact CAIR Michigan at 248-559-2247 or at cairmichigan@gmail.com. Assalamu alaikum.